Gamitin sa ere, masyadong malakas. Bautista with the board. Canlas, sidestep, three-pointer. Wala yun. And crashing the rebound. Itong si Basangan. May whistle tayo dito and there's a player down. I believe that's, yeah, that is Kevin Santos.
Yes. And Kevin Santos will be called for the foul.
Oh, so that's an pushing foul, so offensive foul yun. So basket is nullified para dito kay Basangan.
Oo, kasi merong battle for the rebound right there sa ilalim. And he's too aggressive that time. That's why he was called for a pushing foul.
Nothing is going well for Pampanga Delta in this fourth quarter, Coach Pancho.
They were given a chance because of those free throws na binigay sa kanila, and they cut down the lead to just 7. But sayang yung last play. Hindi nila na-convert yung basket. It would have been a 5-point lead na lang sana if they converted that.
Tama, Coach Pancho. And let's see if Hans Querido can make this free throws ngayon. And nagpapaklarify ang coaching staff ng Pampanga Delta bakit may re-free throw. It's because, or rather, ito nga, kinaklarify din ng mga ating officials. Kasi nga, while shooting the first free throw, tumunog ang buzzer sa table for a substitution. Nagbabalik po tayo dito sa Pilipinas Super League 21U as there was a lull on regarding the official time remaining sa ating laro. Of course, Coach Pancho, di ba, every second counts sa mga ganitong laro.
Yes, of course. Especially lalo na kung ikaw yung team na naghahabol. So, ang mindset dito dapat, since every second counts, every possession counts dapat. So if you're giving a possession, you should convert a basket as well.
Tama, Coach Pancho. Kaya ngayon, nasa linya nga itong si Hans Querido, who made timely baskets kanina. And here the Pampanga crowd cheer for that miss, Coach Pancho.
He is feeling the pressure, especially coming from the crowd.
Querido makes the second. 8-point lead dito para sa Paranaque Worthrand.
They need to make this basket. They need to convert this one.
Tama, Coach Pancho. Nunag, bitin nga lang. Santos, up and over everybody. At eto na, buhay na ang crowd ng Pampanga. Pero Durante with an easy layup.
Wow, a good cut. A good cut by Justin Durante. Giving a free, easy basket that time.
Oy, and may foul doon sa drive ni Ernesto Basangan.
Pampanga Delta defense was caught by a surprise right there during the last play by Justin Durante.
And yun na nga, 5 fouls na si Ray Yigot. They're clearly, Coach Pancho, kahit guard siya, they're the best defensive player in this game.
Oo. A lot of block shots that he made earlier. Crucial yun, yung mga block shots na yun.
Mga Coach Pancho, kaya ito, Basangan makes that first free throw. Very important itong mga free throws na to, Coach Pancho. Kagaya nga sabi mo, the clock is stopped and you have a chance to make easy baskets.
Yes.
And he makes 2 for 2 there.
And free throws also helps you to get your rhythm as well.
Eto nga, naagaw ni Bautista. Bautista, pero naagaw. And there's a whistle there.
He almost loses the ball, pero may contact doon.
The holding foul on Durante. That's his third personal. Let's see again. Ang ganda ng agaw ni Bautista.
Oh, ito, tingnan mo to, Enzo. Sidestepping. Yun,
Ayun nga.
Meron pang tama sa braso.
Yes, tama, Coach Pancho. So 2 free throws for Bautista. Makes the first one. Down to 5. Much to the delight of the Breguiao Convention Center crowd.
Yes, and the crowd is running wild right now, Enzo. Hindi na tayo magkarinigan dito.
Tama, Coach Pancho.
Kaya, sorry sa mga live streamers na nanonood sa amin kung medyo napapasigaw kami, ha?
For sure, nag-e-enjoy rin yung mga nanonood sa atin.
Of course.
Coach Pancho,
of course.
napakaganda ng laro. Just
Yes.
like we are. Bautista misses the second. Tapikan ng bola. Pampanga gets it. Kick out. Swings it over. Basangan. Inside to Santos for the layup. A 3-point lead for Paranaque.
Good find by Ernesto Basangan.
Last 2 minutes tayo dito. Bautista gets the ball. And a jump ball will be called here. Possession arrow points. Or rather, wait. What is our referee's call? Yes, possession arrow goes to the way of Pampanga Delta.
Another chance for Pampanga Delta to make a comeback right now. With only 3-point lead for Paranaque Wartrack and still lots of time remaining.
Santos inside, short, Basangan again. Bautista to tie, short. Bautista, Basangan. He will attack. Oh, natapigan siya sa likod. Querido, layup, wala.
Okay, no
Lunag
foul,
with the
foul,
board.
called. Play continues. Ito si Basangan.
Yes, Santos inside, kick out, dangerous pass. Lunag will attack. Basangan inside, and he's fouled. What a ball game, mga ka-PSL.
Sumabit si Pabelona ron.
And Basangan is down on the floor. Saglit lang daw. Grabe. Coach Pancho, this is just the 5th game natin dito sa Luzon Lake. Tapos ganito na pinapakita sa atin.
Grabe ang pinapakita ng mga kabataan ngayon. Lalong-lalo na dito sa PSL Under 21 tournament ng Luzon Lake.
2 huge free throws for Basangan. Misses the first one. He needs to make the second, no, Coach Pancho, to make it a 2-point game.
I think kaya namintis ni Basangan yun. He's feeling the effects of that last contact that he made.
Let's see if he can make this second free throw. Pressure pack free throws.
Yes, tama ka doon, Enzo. Pressure pack free throw. But what a heads up play earlier for Basangan, ha? Walang takot.
Misses the second, but they get the ball back. And by foul on the rebound play,
It's Jake Querido.
Pampanga is up. Coach Pancho, naaamoy ko na naman.
4 fouls. 4 fouls na si Querido, Enzo.
Yes, that's Jigs Querido. As another missed free throw. Kanlas naman. 3 straight missed free throws now for Pampanga Delta. They could have tied the ball game in all 3.
Wow. Too many free throws has been missed by Pampanga Delta, especially in these crucial, important moments. Look at that slow-mo replay.
Ayun yung foul.
Really? Yes.
Kanlas misses again. 4 na diretso.
0 out of 2 that time. Sayang yun. It could have been just a 1-point lead para sa Paranaque Wartrack, Enzo.
Tama, Coach Pancho. 55 seconds na titira. Querido inside, Dilua. Ball will remain with Paranaque.
Oh, that was a good move for Querido. That's the right thing to do. Attack the basket. Be aggressive. But walang foul na inaitawag doon. So that's good. Anyway, they still have the possession.
Tama, Coach Pancho. Kaya ito nga, ang ating mga referees humihingi ng replay to make sure tama ba yung kanilang out of bounds call that time. At clock. Tingnan natin if Paranaque can put the dagger into the hearts of Pampanga, or will Pampanga come up with a defensive stop?
Yes, let's see if they can execute this play being drawn by the coaching staff of Paranaque Wartrack.
Tingnan natin saan sila pupunta. Durante hesitated at 3. 3-pointer. Wala yun. And that didn't hit anything. Pampanga gets that stop.
Inabutan sila ng shot clock violation doon. Good defense that time for Pampanga Delta. giving them a chance to come back. And right now, may timeout, and of course, Governor Delta will draw some plays, Enzo.
Tama ka dyan, Coach Pancho. 36-point clock. They go inbound sa sideline kasi if they decided to inbound dito sa baseline, they get the full 24.
And also, they're preventing for some turnovers kasi malapit sa basket na
Tama, Coach Pancho. So let's see what Pampanga Delta will do in this possession as they are down by 3. Libre, Canlas ties the game at 75!
Wow! Big basket for Canlas. A wide open 3 right there.
Grabe!
Timeout was called. A timeout was called. There was some confusion because maingay dito sa ating venue.
Kaya sa sobrang ingay, di na narinig yung buzzer for a timeout. Pero what a shot! Galing dito kay Ron Canlas to tie the game at 75.
That was a perfectly designed play by Governor Delta. And look at that play, Enzo. This is
Grabe.
what I'm talking about.
Wide open siya doon. Lagi sinasabi ng mga coaches and analysts, Coach Pancho, the most dangerous man in that kind of play is the inbounder.
Yes, grabe. Great job by the coaching staff of Pampanga Delta.
And Zigyao Convention Center. Kapit lang mga ka-PSL, we have a ball game here.
Grabe ang mga kabalin dito. Full support sa Pampanga Delta. Of course, why not? Gusto nilang makatikim ng first win dito sa tournament ng Pampanga Delta.
Tama, Coach Pancho. Let's see anong gagawin ng Paranaque. Worth run dito. Kanilang possession, Quirido to inbound. Montek pa mawala. Where will they go? They go to Obilia. It's blocked. Pampanga. There's a foul.
There's a foul.
Kanina yung foul. Foul. And Bautista takes the lead with a free throw. Grabe yung ating laro dito sa Brengyao Convention Center.
What a turnaround of events dito sa larong to. Lamang ng 10 ang Paranaque kanina. Unting-unting nakahabol ang Pampanga Delta, and right now lamang na sila.
Bautista gets the offensive board. Paranaque has to... No, there's still a shot clock.
Yes,
They have to make a stop
they
here.
need to make a stop.
Bautista. He'll attack. Layup. Put back. Wala.
Kanila pa rin ang offensive rebound. Oh!
And they have got the foul. Hear the Pampanga crowd here.
And the crowd is going wild right here in Brenzygiao Convention Center here in San Fernando, Pampanga. Bakit hindi? Lamang ang Pampanga Delta over Paranaque.
Pero unfortunate miss para dito kay Nunag.
Yes, again, free throws. Free throws. Paulit-ulit nating sinasabi dito, Enzo. Gaano ka-importante ang free throws.
Coach Pancho, make or miss. Wala nang timeout ang Paranaque dito.
Yes, tuloy-tuloy na tayo dito.
Let's see here.
Another.
Rebound. Jump ball at tinawag ng ating referees. Ball will go to Paranaque. So no timeouts for Paranaque dito. Any basket will win it for Paranaque in this final 5 seconds. Kapit lang mga ka-PSL.
Ito
yung rebound play.
Ito yung agawan.
Pakamatay sa bola talaga sila, Coach Pancho.
Oo. Kailangan yan. Grabe itong mga batang to. Ganun nila gustong manalo nito.
Let's see. Make or break. Akuso. Turnover for Paranaque.
A costly turnover.
That might have just done it, Coach Pancho.
Careless basketball doon para sa Paranaque World Run.
Tama, Coach Pancho. Sayang yun for Paranaque. At tatawag ng security timeout itong si Governor Delta Pineda as they are protecting a 1-point lead with 2.9 seconds to go in this ball game. Coach Pancho, in the last 2 minutes and 22 seconds, in this game. Justin Bautista with 2 pressure-packed free throws. Let's see if he can make it. Makes the first.
Justin Bautista sinking that first important free throw.
Let's see if he can make the crucial one.
Let's see ito, Enzo.
Tama. Misses the second. 2.9 seconds.
Tingnan natin. Oy,
Oh, Paranaque runs out of time, and Pampanga Delta escapes today's win with a narrow 2-point victory. What a game, Coach Pancho.